bit of a hailstorm going on. I dragged the tomato plants over here. Hopefully they'll survive. But it is coming down something fierce. Turning the bird bath into a jacuzzi. Don't know what this will do to our plants out front. Probably nothing good. Well, half of that flowers is surviving, but not the half that's sticking out. The rain gutters are full of hail. And a big pile of hail in the corner. Okay, we'll go back inside where it's dry.